When building a gaming PC, one of the most critical components to consider is the case. A good gaming PC case not only protects your hardware but also offers ample cooling, aesthetics, and organization for your components. With countless options on the market, finding a high-quality case that fits your budget can be a challenge. Fortunately, there are several excellent gaming PC cases available for under $100 that cater to gamers' needs for performance, style, and functionality. Number 1. Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L. The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L is a versatile and compact case designed to accommodate various gaming setups. Its modern design and excellent airflow make it a favorite among gamers looking for functionality and style. With its mesh front panel and top-mounted magnetic dust filter, this case ensures your components stay cool and dust-free, even during long gaming sessions. The Q300L also supports a range of motherboard sizes, from Mini ITX to Micro ATX, making it an ideal choice for both beginner and experienced builders. The customizable RGB lighting options add a personal touch, allowing gamers to showcase their unique style. Key features: compact design, suitable for Mini ITX and Micro ATX motherboards. Excellent airflow, mesh front panel for optimal ventilation. Customizable RGB, supports RGB lighting for personalized aesthetics. Removable dust filters, easy maintenance to keep components clean. Affordable price, great value under $100. Number 2. Thermaltake Versa H17. The Thermaltake Versa H17 is a sleek and stylish Micro ATX case that packs a punch with its performance capabilities. Designed with gamers in mind, this case offers a spacious interior for easy cable management and optimal airflow. The Versa H17 features a tempered glass side panel that showcases your hardware beautifully while providing protection. Its minimalist design ensures that it fits seamlessly into any gaming setup, whether at home or in a professional environment. With multiple drive bays and cooling options, this case allows you to build a system that meets your gaming needs. Key features: tempered glass side panel, showcases internal components stylishly. Spacious interior, ample room for cable management and cooling solutions. Multiple drive bays, flexibility for storage options. Easy installation, user-friendly design for hassle-free building. Competitive pricing, quality case under $100. Number 3. NZXT H510. The NZXT H510 is a mid-tower case that has gained popularity for its clean aesthetic and user-friendly features. Designed to provide an optimal building experience, the H510 incorporates a cable management system that makes it easy to achieve a tidy build. The tempered glass side panel provides a stunning view of your internal components, and the case supports a wide variety of cooling solutions, including space for up to 6 fans and multiple radiators. Additionally, the H510 is available in various colors, allowing gamers to select a look that matches their personal style. Key features: modern aesthetics, sleek design with a tempered glass side panel. Excellent cable management, designed for easy and tidy builds. Versatile cooling options, supports multiple fans and radiators. Quality build, durable materials for long-lasting use. Affordable pricing, great value for a premium look under $100. Number 4. Phanteks Eclipse P300A. The Phanteks Eclipse P300A is a budget-friendly case that doesn't compromise on quality. With a focus on airflow and cooling, this mid-tower case features a mesh front panel that enhances ventilation, ensuring that your components remain cool even during intense gaming sessions. The spacious interior allows for easy installation of hardware, while the included RGB lighting adds an eye-catching flair to your setup. The P300A is also compatible with a variety of cooling solutions and offers numerous drive mounting options, making it an excellent choice for gamers looking to build a custom rig. Key features: mesh front panel, enhanced airflow for improved cooling. Spacious interior, easy installation of components and cable management. RGB lighting included, adds visual appeal to your gaming setup. Versatile cooling support, compatible with various cooling solutions. Budget-friendly, quality performance under $100. Number 5. Corsair 275R Airflow. The Corsair 275R Airflow is engineered to provide superior cooling performance without sacrificing aesthetics. This mid-tower case features a high airflow front panel and plenty of space for additional cooling options. The 275R is designed for easy access, making upgrades and maintenance a breeze. With a minimalist design and tempered glass side panel, this case not only looks good but also allows you to showcase your hardware. It supports various configurations, accommodating different motherboard sizes and GPU lengths, making it a versatile option for gamers. Key features: high airflow design, optimized for maximum cooling efficiency. Tempered glass side panel, showcases components stylishly. Easy accessibility, simple upgrades and maintenance. Versatile configuration, supports various hardware setups. Value for money, excellent performance under $100. Conclusion: choosing the right gaming PC case is crucial for any gaming setup. Each of the cases listed above provides a perfect blend of functionality, aesthetics, and affordability. Whether you prioritize airflow, design, or expandability, there's an option here to meet your needs, all available for under $100 on Aliexpress. By investing in one of these cases, you'll not only enhance your gaming experience but also ensure that your hardware is protected and showcased beautifully. Happy building!